Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your Steam games using a Google TV device. So this could be on your TV already, or you have one installed. But you want to go up to search right here, and just type in or say Steam Link. So I'm just going to hold down the voice option, Steam Link. And this device will allow
Steam
us
Link.
to stream our computer on over to our TV now. So I just typed it in and nothing happened. So I'm just going to use my on-screen keyboard and type in Steam Link. And when we open this up, it should just detect our computer. And then we have to go on over to Steam and open that up. And then we just have to type in a code and it will allow us to play. And it's very easy. So let's go to this now and go to search. And then open this up.
Steam Link.
Here's Steam Link. Get this application. It looks like it's just going to start up already. So go on over to your computer now and open up Steam and make sure you're connected to the same internet as your Google TV device. So you can see my internet options right here. I'm connected to the same one. Go to Steam, go to settings, going down to remote play and make sure this is enabled. Should be enabled by default. And you can see my Google TV streamers already on here. And then it's going to give you a code. Just type in the code. So if you're like downstairs and your TV's upstairs or something like that, you're going to have to remember a 4-digit code and run back and forth. So once you have this enabled, go back over to your device and then just start playing. And connect your controller to your PS5 controller, your PlayStation controller, to your TV. And we can just open this up now and we can start playing. So I'm just using my TV remote, which isn't nearly as convenient. So you're going to have to connect your PS5 controller or your Xbox controller. And to exit, just go on down to Steam right here. And go to power and go to exit big picture mode. And then you can get rid of it. And you're back. So you can play your games now on your TV.